Let's quickly examine how to solve an easy system using a method known as substitution. Just a quick reminder that when we're solving two linear equations, normally they're going to intersect and you have to name that point. Sometimes they'll be parallel, which means there's going to be no solution, or the third scenario where the lines fall directly on top of each other. So this has infinite solutions. All right, let's take a look at a very simple one. All right, so here are two lines. But the nice thing is if you think about where do these intersect, if they do, you already know the one value. You're given that y is equal to 7. So I'm immediately going to fill that in my ordered pair. So all I have to do is find x. And the idea is to substitute, you take out one thing and you put something in its place. Since I know that y is 7, I'm going to take the bottom equation and I'm going to put 7 in place of where the y was. So I'm going to write 7. I'm going to change colors here so you can see what's replacing the y. So now I have this simple equation that 7 equals 2x minus 3. Since it's in one variable, I'm going to solve. I'm going to add 3 to both sides, which gives me 10 equals 2x. And then I finish it by dividing both sides by 2. This results in 5 is equal to x, which tells me that that's what gets plugged in for my ordered pair. So the point at which these two lines cross one another is 5, 7. Okay, let's look at a similar one. This time when you analyze this system, you should see that you know one of the values again. So immediately I'm going to write that in. Remember, it's x comma y, so this time I know the x value. And again, I'm going to substitute. In place of this x right here, I'm going to take that out and I'm going to put 5 in its place. So what I do is I open up parentheses where there was an x, and I recopy my entire equation, and I put this 5 in place of x. And now I solve this equation. Put my dotted line. I'm going to do 3 times 5 is 15, minus 5y is equal to 10. Now I subtract 15 from both sides. Remember, a common mistake is kids add because they look at this minus sign. That minus sign has nothing to do with what you do with this positive 15. All right, so 15 minus 15 is 0. Bring down your negative 5y equals negative 5, and you finish by dividing each side by negative 5. Therefore, y is equal to positive 1. Put this up here, so these two lines cross at the ordered pair 5, 1.